Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing fine and doing well in their lives. So, basically, about the updates thing. So, I'm going to have my periodic tests from tomorrow. It's starting from tomorrow, and out of nowhere, my school just dropped this message yesterday that you are going to have periodic tests from tomorrow. And I was like, how the hell someone can be this random? They just dropped a lot of syllabus and things, and guess what? I have not even done 40 or 50% of the syllabus of the test. Um, so it's gonna be very hectic. And today, so our first paper is physical education. Physical education is the subject that I've never touched. Of course, people always start with that in the last. So I didn't do that, and I started that yesterday. And when I started that, I realized that it's not that easy as I thought it would be. Of course, like if you cannot just go and write theory, write anything without knowing about the chapter, and you cannot just write the paper after just watching one short of chapters of physical education. People are just like, I'll watch a one shot one night before and I'll go and write the paper. I don't know why people are like this because I watched all the one shot and stuff, but what will I write? I have to have some sort of theory, no, to write some sort of words or stuff like that. Okay, I get it. What is there in the chapter, but I don't know how to formulate that. So this is what I'm going through. Uh, Today I read all of those notes and stuff. I made notes myself. Uh, then yeah, this is all about my physical education paper that is going to be tomorrow. And then I'm going to have English. Okay, I'll do that because few chapters I've already done for my previous test. Then I'm having my physics paper. Guess what? I have not done two to three. I'll say three chapters of the syllabus till now, which is like optics and stuff. Optics, and modern. Yeah, these are the two chapters, and I don't remember the third one. So this, these are the three chapters that are going to be in our test, and I have not even touched that. And guess what? These chapters are uncommon with the advanced mock that I'm going to have after 5 to 6 days, or just after the periodic test will get over. So, also, I feel like I am going to perform very below average in this advanced mock test because it's going to be very tough, as said by teachers, that we are making really tough paper and questions are going to be really tricky and tough like that. And I was like, I have not even prepared, but it's like, okay, because I'm preparing for periodic tests and all, I cannot prepare for both. And as I'm going to have so many uncommon chapters, I cannot go for both. This is what I think. Uh, yeah, and also I'm disturbed because of this one thing that I'm not able to do maths. Uh, Before like 15, 16 days, I would say I was doing maths. But now, after AOD has started, I feel like that interest thing has already gone. When I did AOD ka theory and stuff, I was like, okay, this is so easy. But when I started making questions, I was like, shit, why am I not able to make questions for that? And so this is one of the reasons of why I am disturbed. Also, when like, I sometimes get a lot of time, but I'm not using that efficiently. So another reason why I'm disturbed. This is all about going. Let's see how my paper goes because yeah, I'm going to have my papers back to back every day, no holiday. So let's see how stuff goes.